Hi guys, today in this video we know about calculation of paver block required for your patio. And your here question, how many 16 inches by 16 inches paver required for 12 by 12 patio. And your given patio size is 12 foot by 12 foot, and your paver size is 16 inches by 16 inches, and other size of paver blocks comes in various sizes by 12 inches by 12 inches, 6 inches by 9 inches, 8 inches by 8 inches, 4 inches by 8 inches, and also it may 6 inches by 6 inches. And your paver may be, it is either brick paver, concrete, and also a stone paver. And what is the number of 16 inches by 16 inches paver required for the formation of 12 by 12 patio? First we determine how we calculate. First we determine the area of this patio. 12 foot by 12 foot, multiply this one, this will come 144 square feet. And what is the area of one paver block? Area of 16 inches by 16 inches paver is equal 16 inches into 16 inches. This will come about 256 square inches. Here is the area in square feet, and here is the area square inch. That's why it can be converted in square feet. Now area of paver block in square feet, 256 is divided by 144. This will come about 177 square foot. And what is the area of one paver block of 16 inches by 16 inches? This will come about 1.77 square foot. And the number of 16 inches by 16 inches paver block is equal. You may divide 144 by 1.77. This will come about 81. And your answer is, how many number of 16 by 16 paver required for this size patio? You require roughly about 81 16 inches by 60 inches paver for the construction of 12 foot by 12 foot patio.